Hello YouTube, today I'm making a video on all of my Wehrmacht belt buckles, or commonly known as the German Army. These pieces are in fairly great condition, especially the one on the far right. It's mint, straight out of the factory. Then we kind of have, I've been there, done that. Wehrmacht buckle, it's kind of rubbed a little bit. Then a Wehrmacht dress buckle. Then a Wehrmacht officer's brocade buckle. Each of these belt buckles has a maker mark, except that one right there. These were never maker marked, I believe. This one's for RS and Co. Kind of see right there. The paint's kind of in the way. It's by RSS. Not maker marked. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe for more military.